Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix data sync problems with HubSpot, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix data sync problems with HubSpot, start by identifying the specific issue. Check your integration settings to ensure they are properly configured. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the Integrations section. Review the connected applications to confirm they are authorized and active. Look for any error messages that might indicate what the sync problem is. If there are errors, address them based on the provided details. Next, verify that the data formats in both HubSpot and the integrated application match. Inconsistent data formats can often cause sync problems. Ensure that contact properties in HubSpot align with fields in the connected app. Check for duplicate records that may be causing conflicts during synchronization. If duplicates exist, remove or merge them to streamline the data flow. Run a manual sync if the integration allows it to see if the problem resolves. Monitor the sync progress for any new error messages or indicators. If issues persist, consult the HubSpot status page for any known outages. Reach out to your integration partner for support, as they may have insights on the problem. Consider re-authenticating the integration to refresh your connection. Disable and then re-enable the integration to reset the sync. Finally, document any changes you make for future reference. With patience and attention to detail, you can effectively resolve data sync problems in HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.